to take high ground on point A, right? Like when I was saying you take high ground, take Widow Perch and stuff like that, is because we have to abide by the law of dive, which is every single dive that we take should reduce the amount of danger we're in for our next dive incrementally. So if that means our next dive would be safer if we took high ground for it, then that's where we should be going, right? So one thing that you're gonna want to check on here, Brandon, is your diva boosters. Try to use those to reach high ground if you're gonna be using them when you're in the middle of a fight. So boost into somebody and then boost onto high ground as your last action, basically.
You happened on Aegis point A where I went to stall.
Focus on the smash, buddy.
I lost 20 frames.
It was an oof, yeah. Alright, so where are we going here?
Go left.
Yeah, I'd say we go through the Vikings and then form a dive from up there.
Okay. I think if anything here, Bison might be able to even go the other way through right room, potentially. And then we can stage from the top up there.
Wait for Bison to go scout. Wait for Bison to go scout.
Yeah.
They're not up top.
Running dive, they have diva at least.
They have
Yeah,
Diva
top
at
right,
least?
top right, top right.
They're all top right? Are they in
Some
that
of them.
room?
Winston saw us. He peeked.
Wait, they're top right in room?
Yeah, keep scouting ahead. What do we have here? Alright, so Winston's on point right now.
Yeah. Winston's
Take high ground.
Zenyatta.
Take Flight of Duskwood here. Take the top right here. Then we can scout up from there a little more.
Pretty much on plan.
Alright. Why don't we go all the way around on backside here?
I'm already here.
And then dive from backside.
I'm not there yet.
We have a Hanzo?
That's terrible. You just.
Watch, I
Hanzo
bet you
with
one
a-
of them's gonna come through here.
Hey, Diva's coming back here. Diva's coming back.
We can take high ground.
I'm on Hanzo, he's one.
Monkey Discord.
Monkey Discord again.
He's Discord, nice.
I am claiming the objective.
He's on a punch.
Hey guys.
Yeah, he was low, he was low.
There's a Widow top right.
Nice job, guys. Nice job. Hey, get the Widow. Widow's next. Nice. Alright, good job, guys.
Alright, Hanzo blind.
I'm on fire.
Stagger.
Don't stagger. Kill him. We can't stagger right now.
Yeah,
Down
especially
that
as someone who can pretty much instant kill.
Oh, thanks, Bison. I had to reload.
Join me. Hello.
There, Winston's pushing.
This is not the end. Thanks. Yeah.
Okay,
I'm on point. You guys pushing it. You guys go. Position.
Widow's on bridge. Widow's bridge. Let's stage left here. Let's stage left here, guys.
Far left.
I'm on you.
Here, I'm gonna cover Widow for you.
As one.
Widow's bridge.
She's getting
I'm on Zen, he's main.
Yeah.
Are we moving payload?
Yep.
Show for me, guys.
Okay, they're using a
Just
lot of
three ults.
use it. Let them use it.
Bison, I need some help here.
Back up.
Wait for it.
Do it.
I have to back off cart.
I'm not with you guys right now.
The payload moves.
I can res this here.
Here, I got a shield.
Widow's top right.
Widow's holding bridge still.
I can dive up
Oh,
there.
there
but
he
you're
is.
probably gonna
Oh,
beat
Hanzo top left.
So we need to take this fight further forward, guys.
Watch Hanzo here. He's low.
We're getting too much distance.
Monkey's on me.
I can't get you, OG.
Bro, we just need to.
Yeah, we
There's
should
a monkey.
group up.
Yeah, reset.
Yeah.
The payload rests idle.
When they overextend though, we need to punish that. Like Hanzo.
Okay, but like,
Hey, what else? Alt-wise here, guys, they're gonna have Hanzo ult. And
they have
they're
support
gonna
ults.
have-
They have
Yeah, they
support
have both
ults.
support ults.
I don't know if they have Hanzo ult yet. They just use
I
the
can
thing.
I can use Primal to force out the.
Hanzo top left again.
Okay.
He has Discord. He's high ground now main.
He's main. Widow left side. Widow right side again. Widow top right.
Never die.
I'm on you, Vengeful. I'm on you.
Here, I'm gonna force out the trains. There's trains.
I'm on you, Vengeful. I'm on you, Vengeful.
Snipers have all over the world.
Just back up. Guys, just back up.
Okay, we can go in with Blade next. Right? We have no
Yeah.
I'm on you, Vengeful.
I could use some healing.
Alright. So we can probably go in with. I mean, we could Diva Bomb and then go in with Genji ult.
I might trance the Genji blade.
Please do.
It's in Discord. Oh no.
I am moving the payload.
Diva.
I'm on you, OG. I'm on you, OG. Or Vengeful. I'm on you, Vengeful.
Widow, one
Monkey
HP.
Discord. Monkey Discord on cart. He's low. Monkey low. Wait, we're in this monkey.
Diva can die.
There's a Hanzo top with Mercy.
Hey, fight. Kill him off cart. Widow's on bridge. They're on bridge.
Okay, I can dive up there.
I'm on you, Vengeful. Hey, let's
Yeah,
take this
but
next
mine-
fight forward, guys. Let's take this next fight forward.
Careful. Hey, defense matrix. Thank God.
Thank you.
How's the top right?
The payload
All of them there.
Widow's main.
Widow Discord.
Mercy dead.
Diva's on cart.
Where's Zen? Cut.
I'm on fire.
Nice.
Good job, guys.
Before taking test.
Just keep 3 on cart.
They're coming out of this left side. They're swapped to Bridget.
Monkey's feeding.
Not their whole team. It's not their whole team.
They have break now.
He's also feeding.
There's A. Both supports on me. Both supports on me.
I'm with you, Bison. I'm with you.
Brandon, go on my cart.
I got one, but I'm probably gonna die.
Nice job, man.
On you, Ponzo.
Nice. Huge shield.
Kill it. Alright, let's
Cut,
take
cut,
high
cut.
ground here. Let's take high ground here.
Gotcha.
Also,
Hey, Summer on me.
Where are you?
I didn't recall it.
Winston Discord.
Okay, we'll just get up, Brandon. Just get up.
Protect the payload.
we're gonna hey, we gotta take this next fight forward if we can, guys.
We
Let's
don't
take
have
fight ahead of
CPS.
the cart. Dive backline.
Hiya.
Monkey has Discord. He's on me behind.
Right, gotcha.
Yeah, I'm dead.
That's right. Just die now. Fine.
I'm thinking of making a swap.
I think Pharaoh would be good.
Farrah doesn't have very good mobility.
Okay. Yeah.
Fucking
Alright, they're gonna be close to EMP, I think.
Yeah.
They have trans. They have trans right now. They have Diva Bomb and they have Winston Ult.
I can force out trans. I'll force out trans.
Slumber behind on me.
Hey.
Let's get you back in the fight.
Alright.
Now,
Where are we
Okay,
doing?
there's Zen Mercy.
No, that's on left side. Just come in.
Bridget. Oh, not Bridget.
Sombra.
Huge OG.
Oh no.
Monkey Discord. He's slow. Primal.
Bricky can still die. Oh, he's
Go.
actually
Wait,
super
we're in the
low.
monkey. Nice.
Cart.
Got me. Summer's behind.
Kill this on.
Alright, reset, guys. Reset.
This Summer's the big issue.
Yeah.
Wait, who's the big issue?
yeah, hiya.
Sombra. I think we should be on a Brigitte here.
Cursory evaluation indicates time
Do we
running out.
want to just go runs out here?
Heroes never die.
Summer behind. He's gonna kill me.
Check out.
Just better focus on the front line.
Diva.
He's tired.
Watch Diva Bomb.
Hey, Summer trap behind.
Diva.
Feel better.
Diva Discord.
They're on me.
Get the Diva. Focus the Diva. He's discorded.
Diva out of mech. Diva's still Discord.
Why are we not using the Diva?
Hey, on me. On me.
She's out of mech. Break.
I'm dead.
Nice. Monkey.
This is not your time.
There's Diva behind.
Monkey.
There's a monkey on point.
Diva's on point. Diva's on point.
Diva. She's trapped.
Trap.
Nice. Take this next fight forward, guys. Take this next fight forward.
Widow left side.
Healing.
Widow's left.
Mercy Discord behind. Monkey
Heroes
just
never
stuck
die.
back.
You might want payload.
Widow main.
Out in here.
Can you get any armor?
This is the one.
Big. Sorry, guys.
Pencil card.
What? I was in my shield.
Diva.
I can't get that res.
Alright, Hammond now. Hammond.
This should still be winnable.
I'm under fire. Come on, everyone. Retreat fulfillment.
He's low.
He's the right. On me. He's on me.
Enemy seen.
I'm dead. Brigida and Tracer both behind only card. Nice, Vengeful, nice. Diva.
Hammond on point.
More vegetables now.
Hammond coming on the point.
I have another crown.
Nice job, guys. Good shit.
Holy shit.
I just played back 4 times. Like,
I shot my mech 4 times in overtime.
Prepare your defenses.
I came back as Doomfist and got an accidental kill on the
It was
Lucio.
sick. It was a fat
fucking
kill,
sick.
though.
It was huge. Who am I playing?
you know the Lucio card where it says environmental kills?
Yeah. Why
Yeah.
am I playing Lucio? What the fuck?
Vengeance cards have to be accidental kills.
Yes. Who do I play? Who the fuck do I play? Who am I?
I think you go Widow here. Widow with a we could go double sniper actually.
Go Widow Hanjo.
Widow Hanjo, yeah.
Look,
You know how it is, Bison. I'm sorry.
We gotta play to our strong suit.
With every greeting.
Maximize.
Hello, greetings.
Like I shit on my Hanzo a lot,
No.
but it's not that terrible. It's just that I get when I'm having an off day and
I have no time for such frivolous pursuits.
Me.
oh right, oh never mind.
Hello,
4 minutes 6 seconds.
I thought you said it was kill.
I
hello.
have 4 minutes and 41 seconds. Maybe on the point.
4 minutes?
Alright guys, where are we moving?
I was gonna be on high ground here, and then as soon as they like come up to choke, I was gonna back off
Greetings.
and go maybe up to the poke area.
I agree.
I'm pretty much staying point. I'm probably gonna play an arches once they get to point.
Okay.
Vengeful, where'd you say you're playing?
Hello there.
Let's just hide here, guys.
Vengeful, where'd you say you're playing?
The
I'm playing up
dragon.
here.
Move back.
But then as soon as they're pushing, I'm falling back to point and I'm going.
I'm playing right side on mini right now.
See
And
through the
snacks
dragon.
ram.
They're bottom right.
They're going bottom.
If you need assistance.
You're going bottom. Alright.
Yeah, Widow main.
No, they have a widow at me.
Hey Vengeful, rotate back to boat. Rotate back to boat.
Now, back up now.
Yeah.
Okay, they have a Hanzo.
They know I'm here. They're probably gonna try and dive me.
Careful, they're gonna dive Vengeful. Vengeful, don't shoot. Just hide.
Nice.
Nice.
Hey, help our Widow, help our Widow.
I'm low.
Even has Discord. Monkey.
Fuck! There's Zen, kill their Zen. Zen's way out of position. Help OG. Winston's on him.
I'm down.
Never mind, he's fucking. Look at him.
Oh, this thing.
Bad. He's really bad. That Zen was out of position the whole time.
Greetings.
Call out.
Hello.
Hey, with diving the Zen, we need location on those dives, yeah?
Marked by the dragon.
Show for me guys. Bison, Vengeful. Alright, hey, you guys are overlapping sightlines. We need different sightlines here.
We
When you guys
go
go
the
through
same
it.
way.
Grow stronger.
Oh! I missed an easy shot on the Mercy.
Monkey Discord.
Get that Winston Diva. They're feeding. Diva's one.
Where's Widow?
Bottom right.
Bottom right flank.
Dragon main.
Yep, widow bottom. She's half.
Okay. No, they're sneaky.
I'm low.
Hanzo 1 HP.
Bison, back out.
I'm on you, Bison.
I am healed.
Alright, Alright guys, we're letting them move this.
Yeah, we need to make a dive. Still Hanzo. Actually, I'm gonna take Widow. She's by herself. Okay, Widow's down. I'm gonna take the Hanzo on her.
Shit. I got him.
DPS. Remind Apostle, you are the DPS.
Hello.
Diva.
I got
Back
Back up.
No. Alright, we can take pylon now.
You got sights.
You got sights. Alright, wait to pop them until we engage. That way we can actually determine a dive target.
Now they're running standard Widow.
You got Genji.
Or not Widow.
They're running Tracer now. Yeah.
Where
are they guys?
Tracer right side.
Sends up here with
Zen's
me.
going high ground.
Send on high ground.
Genji's on turret.
Tracer
Backside,
behind.
backside.
Tracer behind. Mercy fighting me first.
The thing with dive is we actually need to make a dive. We're letting them make the first move every time.
Left side.
Alright, we need to swap off double sniper here. Let's run over Kisa.
Diva has been spread.
No, I can't.
That was a sick Diva bomb.
Alright, I'm resetting, guys.
Self-destruct.
Resetting, guys.
That's frustrating.
Greetings.
Alright, so we're on Brigitte now. Alright, so Brigitte Hanzo. Alright, yeah. We could even run McCree here to get the flankers if we wanted to as well. But I think we need to dive a little bit here. Might not even get that swap on here again. After this. Hey guys, we need to take high ground. We need to take high ground. If we're gonna be going in here, we need to be on high ground.
Diva just spread.
There's a Genji. Maybe not.
Tracer behind.
Get out!
Monkey. Get the monkey. Get the monkey.
Diva Who's still have Tracer?
Hey, reset, guys.
Well, we need to actually dive. Like,
We're practicing
Zen
that.
actually get to Zen.
Play counter dive. Play counter dive. They have McCree now.
Hello.
They dive me.
See, Zen is over still.
Tracer behind.
We gotta go in now.
Backline pressure. Backline. You just played? Oh, what?
Monkey just spread.
Hey there.
Hey.
Heroes never die.
Nice try, guys.
How do we keep dying to Diva bombs?
Easy.
That one was a weird one. It was on the incline.
Yeah.
The incline, and I was behind payload, and it fucked me somehow.
Also
Wait, we
behind.
went under then. 'Cause
Yeah.
there's a gap.
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
Prepare your
I like the
defenses.
idea of playing
Select
like a
your
bunker
hero.
style. Yeah, Diva, Orisa, Bridget.
Practicing dive.
Yeah, we're practicing dive.
Oh,
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go to a different map, though, I'm pretty sure now.
Are we?
Because
We're gonna
Yeah,
need to
well,
practice
they
dive.
attacked, and they attacked, right?
Uh,
Yeah, we attacked.
yeah, but
Yeah.
if we were gonna swap, I would have called the swap a long time ago.
We're gonna
See, I think the problem that we ran into there was, despite running dive, we didn't actually dive once. We just waited for the Zen or for the Winston and the Diva to come into us, and then we dove onto them. But then it was just tanks versus the tanks,
Well,
and
consider
they
what
ended up
comp we
having
had.
the Hanzo also shooting, which meant we ended up getting taken out first.
No, the problem with this is just one.
No, the problem was that they were diving the squishies and that we were diving the tanks. That was the main problem.
we had double
Yeah.
sniper to begin with, right?
It's
Yeah.
counter dive.
Shouldn't be
It's
diving.
counter diving, but when they're pushing the cart, it becomes like
So what ends up happening is when they're pushing cart like that, we have to already be in position to contest the cart. So what we ended up doing is we ended up taking positions but allowed them to move through us. And then when we took those positions, we didn't take advantage of our positional advantage.
Right.
To
We didn't
actually
take high
dive.
ground on third point, right?
Yeah, so there's like the high ground on third point, and then there was a few things, right? So I mean, we can obviously review it and stuff like that and go over it, but yeah. So
But just don't be too salty about it. Just because like dive, if we're running into something like that, it's just really difficult because if we lose one fight, then we keep respawning back. They're not actually holding one position where we can just push them constantly.
Prepare your defenses. Select your
So,
hero.
you got defense here. We're running the high horse strat, if I'm not mistaken.
With a Tor.
Yeah, that's all right.
Wait, high horse where?
So, I think last night when we went over it, we said we were gonna hold left side corner.
With Junkrat?
Yeah, I think it was Junkrat and Widow.
Widow
Vido.
and Junkrat.
One shot.
I'll show them.
One kill. Hello.
Oh, ventral time.
Oh, wait, shit. Hold on. Who am I playing? Fuck, who am I playing?
Junkrat.
Junkrat.
Get up!
No.
Have you not seen
Have you had the silk comp?
No.
Salut.
incredibly
Hello.
overpowered
Incoming.
All systems operational.
Where are we rotating when they jump on us?
So if they jump onto us, we basically fall back into steps.
Okay.
Salut.
I have a request.
Let's shoot for a new high score.
Can you do me a favor?
Please move.
No.
Alright, Vengeful, your trap's gonna be in front of the shield here.
One.
You know
Yep.
what? You're closest.
Incoming.
In front of the shield.
Own objective A.
Oh, in front?
Yeah, that way they can't get in. Right.
Yeah, I was going to put it
Alright,
right.
ready? Alright, rotate in the window. Rotate the window.
Moira 1.
Rick has this
Hey,
first.
show me that.
We gotta start contesting. Someone's gotta get down there.
Yeah. D.Va is good now.
Yes.
We got the Zarya.
We're good.
Break.
Break ball! Break up here! Oh my god!
Yeah, I'm on you guys. Get on point.
Oh, they had a Lucio.
Rendez-vous avec la
That's
mort.
fucking annoying.
Alright, so our rotate there needs to be a lot quicker, guys.
That was my bad.
Yeah, yeah, it's alright.
Yeah.
Swapping onto dive here, I'm pretty sure.
Let me use Tyre.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, they're on point, guys. They just rushed onto point.
It's okay, just let me build the Tyre.
Moira 1.
Player
It's on point.
Name on the shield. Right this front. Right.
He's gonna shatter.
Diva.
Take it, D.Va.
I got the D.Va, but she killed me.
Zarya.
Sorry, just scored it.
It's just sorry, I'm point. Actually, Reinhardt's down here. He's gonna shatter me.
Ryan's feeding.
Let him shatter.
Supports are
Yeah.
pushed up. No, never mind. They're back down.
Hey,
They have grab next fight.
let's
I'll
hold
shoot
high ground,
transfer
guys.
it.
Let's hold high ground.
Show
Yeah.
them.
Main.
Can you jump in behind them?
Alright,
Moira low. More in the fade.
Ryan.
Where's Moira?
Hey, watch shatter.
Wow, what a shit.
I almost have primal.
Yeah, we
still
can
on
stall.
Moira,
We can
still on
stall.
Moira.
I think I was going to use it. Arya's gonna grab you.
You.
Same target.
Lucio,
Zarya. One side.
We're going left here with Moira.
There's 3 different calls. Pick one.
D.Va.
Okay, focus D.Va. D.Va's low.
Zarya's on stage 1 or half.
Well, there's no focus.
Yeah. How much healing? Sustain. I think Junkrat.
Yeah, when they have that much healing, we need. It's not enough to just have like 2 or 3 people focusing a target. Like, if me and Bison are focusing a target, we need Vengeful and Brandon also in there focusing that same target. Because otherwise, they just have too much sustain.
I mean, we chose a target for the first dive. We chose a dive on Demoyer because she had no fade, right? But the problem is, she was like deep. She was like well fortified by all of her tanks, like all surrounding her, and we just chose the one.
It doesn't matter. What are we running? What are we running? Goats, right?
Goats, yeah.
It's like when we call a target, it can't just be like, oh, the healer, or oh, like this important person. Like it has to be the person who is easiest to die.
I think it was a compositional error for the most part. Doofus would have been able to damage enough for this.
I think if we're running goats, aren't we running it with the Zarya also?
I grow tired of waiting.
Together, hello.
Brandon is
Reinhardt, you
that's what we decided.
nervous?
Yeah, all I want to hear from people is this person's slow. I'm doing this, I'm doing that. This person has struggle. Okay. I didn't call out any targets on the second point because the other person calling out more things to just get
I heard it was your birthday, old man. So I went somewhere.
We're gonna go left side and up the stairs like we discussed.
Why we split?
That's not left side.
We can meet up at choke. No way, dude.
Get in there.
I got slept. I don't even know.
Sorry.
Alright, we ready?
I'm ready to
I thought we were going up the stairs. Okay.
barriers on.
What's the point of
Your wall, puzzle wall.
Go down.
Yeah. We back.
Disengage, we're down 2.
We're not doing this. We're just not.
Yeah, there.
They can still split us up.
Физкульт, привет.
Yeah, their comps are good. Goats kind of. Lucio is on.
We're going up against the May. We need to play a comp that gets in and out fast and can't be split up.
If we just go up the steps, guys, we can jump onto point.
Yeah, we should do what we actually discussed yesterday. I'm not sure why we suddenly changed it.
Alright, I lost his mind. What did we do?
Oh, we're going up those steps?
Take care of the other steps.
They're on us.
Shatter.
Side of point.
Alright, we pushing.
I require aid.
Okay, we have a pick. Get ready. Sorry, slow.
Watch shatter, watch shatter.
We get the Ryan? Ryan.
I'm on
Shut up,
your
I'm on fire!
Nothing we can do.
This time we're gonna go right up top to the stairs, okay? So May can't wall us off.
Alright, they're gonna have grab here. They're
We're also
gonna be
top.
really close to
My
Anna.
ult
I don't have a trance.
And they have Brigitte ult.
They're all up there. We're gonna get split.
We gotta go together.
I have Dragon.
Alright, go here. Wait, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Go together.
Anna on point, left side.
I'm anti right now, I'm gonna die.
We're not ulting here.
by the dragon.
They use rally and grab.
They used freeze too?
No.
No, that was just me primary fire.
They have freeze, I think. If they use May ult, I'm cringing.
I can.
Okay, May is
worry.
no wall. Let's capitalize on that.
They're gonna be close on May ult here.
Go, go, go.
I'm not there, I'm not there.
See through the darkness.
I have coalescence.
He wasted
Okay,
all
they're
of
wasting
it.
that. They're wasting that. Let's drop and go mid. We'll force him down and then I'll shatter.
I am capturing the objective. Try and
Break
destroy
break
the
entrance, come on, May.
I got rally, I got rally.
Ryan,
Yes.
Ryan's one, May, right side of points is first.
I can't move.
I don't know, dude.
Fuck. I'm dead, I'm dead as fuck.
Warriors on me main. She's half. No shields.
May's right side half. Focus on that Zarya.
I'm dead.
Allow me to repair the damage.
I can't move again.
Start over at the beginning.
I'm walled off from you guys. I'm walled off.
Get Diana.
taking the objective. Join me in glory.
Zoya. Ryan. Right side of point.
Taking the objective.
Done.
Get in there.
May?
Watch out, Anna.
Wrecking ball.
Anna's low.
Damn it. Monkey now, monkey.
Legit. Nice job.
Score 2-2. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
How's the team? Do we have a predetermined goats counter that we swap to whenever we have trouble with goats?
I think that like a May Junkrat would be insane.
The comp they were just running was really nice against it, it seemed.
Or like May Hanzo.
Yeah, I think Junkrat Hanzo or May Junkrat would be great.
We also discussed Hammond.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With Orion?
And Hammond would work better offensively rather than defensively.
Or was Hammond the main tank
Hammond would be the main tank.
with the Diva? Okay.
But here's the problem.
With the Diva or is it Zarya?
Here's the problem with goats, right? Most of the time, people are running goats off the spawn, so it's kind of like a guess if they're gonna run it or not.
You still need to be able to swap to it.
Like, let's say Hammond is good, but becomes like a one-trick counter to goats and can't play against anything else, then it's kind of risky to run him. But if we have alternatives like Ryan Zarya or something else with a mate, right?
They meant Gibraltar, I think.
Then it's kind of like you can run it against most things.
Real tough.
Yeah, I was gonna say, to be fair, they did say
Yeah,
Gibraltar.
Yeah, no, that's like a reasonable like mistake.
Guys, look, we're Aegis Wolves now.
Nice, good for us. That's a cooler name than Crylius, in my opinion.
What is?
Aegis Wolves. Aegis.
No. What? Their name sucks.
Are we ready?
I like it.
It's so bad. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are we doing dive here?
Of
Bro,
course.
It's
We're
watch
doing
point.
it on every single.
Arriving at watch point
You're
Gibraltar.
on Widowmaker?
Go blue boxes win the game.
Oh, you saw the Jane thing too?
Who hasn't, dude?
Prepare to attack.
What?
Select
Seen
your
what?
hero.
Can someone give more context of
Notice
what
how
you just said?
notice how only the people who are masters or close to masters have seen the Jane video. I'm sensing a correlation here.
Apostle? You're such an asshole.
I'm just
What
saying you
game?
should watch Jane. It'll get you to masters.
You know what, Apostle?
I'm a
I don't think
subscriber
you're
to
very
Jane.
good. I don't think you're a very good team captain.
Ah.
Oh my god. A roast.
Oh man.
Way to,
Now
way to
we've
put-
gotten
way,
to the real potatoes of the screw.
way to put
The real potato.
Now show
Topical, dude.
Just remember, Brandon, I have the authority to kick you off. To kick you completely out of the server.
No, you don't.
I actually do.
Not only
Quero
ult
se tu me abres dessa parte.
No, I do as well.
Good, but then we'll just
I
tell
can't
ult
wait
for
to
the-
get into
Right.
you just reinforcing my point